Hello, thanks for joining me again. And today I want to talk about first-time home buyer mortgages, what's available to first-time home buyers. And I'm bringing this up because I get a lot of inquiries from individuals who are first-time home buyers, and for some reason, it's not their fault, but they think there are special mortgage programs out there just for first-time home buyers. And there aren't. But I just wanted to share with you what is available to you as a first-time home buyer, and also what types of mortgages most first-time home buyers typically apply for. So the first mortgage that is the most common out there for people that are buying homes would be a conventional loan. You're going to need a 620 credit score or better for that program. And although it's a great mortgage program, oftentimes first-time home buyers do not have the 620 credit score for whatever reason. Maybe they're just younger and they haven't gotten their credit situation together yet. But conventional loans are the most popular. However, first-time home buyers oftentimes lean towards FHA loans. And here's why. First, yes, you do have the ability to qualify for an FHA loan with a much lower credit score. You can go down to 580 credit score with 3.5% down payment. And if you can find a lender who's able to do this for you, you can go down as low as 500 credit score with a 10% down payment. Now, the other thing about FHA loans that's different than conventional is their debt to income ratio ceiling is a lot higher than it is for a conventional loan. And so what that means is that when you're applying for the mortgage or it goes through underwriting, they're allowed to use a different standard when determining how much you can qualify for, and that's the debt to income ratio. So it allows you to qualify for theoretically a more expensive home, all other things being equal. And so that helps if you're a first-time home buyer and your income is a little bit lower. It allows you to reach up a little bit and maybe purchase that house that would be potentially out of your reach if you were applying using a conventional mortgage. Okay, hopefully that makes sense to you. So the other thing with FHA loans is you're able to get a home. Maybe it's a little less expensive, but it needs a little work. So you can get the FHA 203K Rehab Loan, which is a great mortgage program for first-time home buyers who are maybe buying a less expensive home that's a fixer-upper, needs a little work, and enables them to purchase the home and also borrow that money you need to make those repairs. And you don't have to, make those repairs yourself. Those repairs would be done by a local contractor that you would hire, and the lender would disperse those payments as the work gets done. And then you could have that work done and all rolled up into your loan into one payment. So that, again, that's another reason or another aspect of the FHA mortgage programs that's available to you. Another program for first-time home buyers who may or may not have a down payment at all would be a USDA loan. And a USDA loan is one where if the home is located in a USDA approved rural area, then the home is really what it gets eligible first in its geography. From there, you have to apply for the mortgage, and you have to get approved based on meeting all the guidelines and criteria for that type of mortgage. But it is a zero down payment mortgage, which is very helpful for first-time home buyers who oftentimes do not have a down payment. Now, rewinding just a minute, speaking of not having a down payment, I have another video that talked about first-time home buyer assistance programs and down payment assistance. All of those things are typically available from local organizations and charitable organizations or state agencies or county agencies in your area where you could apply to get that grant money. If you're having trouble raising the down payment money, even for an FHA loan of 3.5%, just as an example. The last mortgage program I want to talk about for first-time home buyers would be a VA loan. You have to be a veteran, active duty military, a spouse of a veteran, a spouse of a deceased veteran. If you qualify, if you have eligibility for a VA loan, then that's another great first-time home buyer mortgage program for you. Again, 0 down. It really is a great program. And also, some lenders will accept lower credit scores into the 500s. However, that said, some of the larger, more popular lenders that do VA loans out there, I'm not going to name them here on this video, I'm not going to out them, but they often require higher credit scores, and it's not that easy, A, for veterans, and B, for first-time home buyers in some instances to have credit scores in the mid to upper 600s. So there, if you need a VA loan, there is an option out there. We have a video on that too, about getting a VA loan with bad credit. So I hope that this gives you a good little synopsis of what's out there for you with regards to mortgage programs as a first-time home buyer. If you're looking to get pre-approved, just find out what you can qualify for. Just follow the link down below in the first pinned comment or in the description, and we'll get you set up with someone who can help you take this to the next step. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate you, and we'll see you next time.